Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your iPhone. If this video helps you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need is a live photo. A normal photo won't work, so make sure the picture you're using is a live photo. Open the Photos app and select your live photo. You can check that it's a live photo by looking for the live label near the top of the screen. If you press and hold the photo, it should animate. Once you've found the live photo you want to use, tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Use as Wallpaper. Your iPhone will prepare the wallpaper preview. Now, if the live effect is turned off, tap the live icon at the bottom of the screen to enable it. When it's active, your wallpaper will animate on the lock screen. You can also pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out and drag the photo until it's positioned exactly how you want. If you'd like, you can customize the lock screen by adding widgets, changing the clock style, or selecting different font colors. Once you're happy with everything, tap Add in the top right corner. Then choose whether you want to set it as a wallpaper pair or customize home screen, depending on your preference. That's it! Your live wallpaper is now set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.